Good morning, this is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Sunday, August 4th. As I usually do, the first thing I'll look at is the water vapor satellite imagery loop. And the main feature today, we have a large upper level high over the Four Corners area and flow aloft around that high is from the south. You can see by the shadings of gray, white, and green. That's indicative of a lot of moisture being pushed into southeast and central Idaho this morning, and that will continue through today. So we are expecting with this moisture increase and instability, thunderstorms to develop this afternoon, much more widespread than yesterday. We actually have had some showers and isolated thunderstorms along the eastern border of Wyoming that have pushed into Wyoming, had some lightning strikes around Driggs and some showers pushing through Lemhi County. And with the additional thunderstorms today, we are expecting scattered thunderstorms in fire weather zone 476, and we have issued a red flag warning from noon through 9 p.m. for zone 476, the Lemhi, Lost River Range, Chalice National Forest areas. So we are expecting scattered storms there and isolated pretty much everywhere else across southeastern Idaho. We have a weak surface front bisecting the state, and again from the central mountains, Lemhi County southeast, through most of at least eastern Idaho. Again, mainly isolated coverage, other than the scattered coverage in zone 4, fire zone 476. And again, generally isolated areas. Some areas may get scattered again along the Wyoming border, but right now we only have the one warning in effect. General thunderstorm outlook from the Storm Prediction Center has general thunderstorms over the entire forecast area. By Monday, we are expecting a bit less coverage, but still isolated thunderstorms pretty much across the entire area. And again, the Storm Prediction Center has us under general thunderstorm area for much of the day on Monday. And Tuesday, again, just generally isolated thunderstorms are going to continue. And again, general thunderstorms covering a good chunk of the area once again. Other than the thunderstorm impacts, it is going to remain hot for the next several days, above normal temperatures in the low to mid-90s across the Snake River Plain, mid-70s to upper 80s and high elevations. And that's today. Monday again, all the low elevations well into the 90s. And as we get into Tuesday, again, just continue to show the heat across the whole area. We may begin to cool down at the end of the week into early part of next weekend. We may start to see some cooler temperatures. And going along with that, we'll look at the 1 to 2 week outlook. Generally equal chances of above and below normal temperatures and a better chance of below normal precipitation as well. So again, to sum up, the main impact today is going to be thunderstorms, again scattered coverage in the north where we have a red flag warning out from noon to 9 p.m. and at least isolated coverage across the remainder of the region. Again, not expecting significant winds today other than outflow winds, possibly 30 to 40 miles per hour, maybe even stronger than that with a stronger storm. So we will see the outflow winds, which again could affect some ongoing fires, and that will conclude the briefing. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us 24 hours a day at the number listed here, or go to our website at the bottom. Thank you. You all have a nice day.